Hi and a very good day. In this tutorial today, we would like to see how to build a Maker Nano heartbeat monitor with Max30102. For this, you will need a Maker Nano Max30102 sensor and a 0.96-inch OLED. Now, let's look at the datasheet for Max30102. Max30102 is a high sensitivity pulse oximeter and heart rate sensor for wearable health. In the datasheet, it is mentioned the specification of the sensor. Now let's look at the circuit. Since both the pulse sensor and OLED are using I2C, hence both are connected to the same pin, which is A4 and A5 of the Arduino Maker Nano respectively, which are the SCL and SDA pin. For the coding, I have referred to a code developed from the site called sirtrtech.com and have made some modification. In the code, make sure that the OLED reset is set to -1 and also the address is set to 0 times 3C. Now, we can upload the code to the Maker Nano. This is the working demo of the project. Thank you. Until then, we shall meet in our next tutorial video. Bye bye.